Welcome to today's video about Palo Alto Networks Cybersecurity Apprentice Exam Prep. Introduction of Palo Alto Networks Cybersecurity Apprentice Exam. Palo Alto Networks Cybersecurity Apprentice Exam details. Who should take the Palo Alto Networks Cybersecurity Apprentice Exam? Key skills required for the exam. Palo Alto Networks Cybersecurity Apprentice Exam Blueprint. How to prepare for the Palo Alto Networks Cybersecurity Apprentice Exam. 1. A company enforces strict role-based access control, RBAC, requiring employees to access only the systems necessary for their roles. Authentication is performed using passwords and a one-time code sent to employees' mobile devices. Which IAM practices are reflected here? A. SSO and static routing. B. Least privilege and multi-factor authentication. C. Biometric authorization and DLP. D. IP tunneling and MAC filtering. 2. What is the primary distinction between endpoint security and network security? A. Endpoint security protects the Internet. B. Network security secures end-user devices. C. Endpoint security protects individual devices. Network security protects traffic flow. D. Network security only applies to wireless networks. 3. Which devices operate at layers 3 and 4 of the OSI model? Choose 2. A. Router. B. Hub. C. Firewall. D. Repeater. 4. Which of the following activities are typical of the reconnaissance stage of a cyber attack? Choose 2. A. Installing malware. B. Scanning for open ports. C. Harvesting employee emails. D. Encrypting critical files. 5. Which of the following is a characteristic of dynamic routing protocols? A. Require manual route configuration. B. Automatically adapt to network changes. C. Only work on layer 7. D. Are used exclusively for wireless networks. 6. In the cloud shared responsibility model, which party is responsible for physical infrastructure? A. Customer. B. End user. C. Government. D. Cloud provider. 7. What is the primary goal of a data loss prevention (DLP) system? A. Enhance packet forwarding. B. Prevent unauthorized data transfers. C. Assign IP addresses. D. Track bandwidth usage. 8. Which features are typically found in next-generation firewalls, NGFWs, but not in traditional stateful firewalls? Choose 2. A. Port-based filtering. B. Application layer inspection. C. Integrated intrusion prevention. D. Simple packet forwarding. 9. Which 2 benefits do security updates provide for endpoints? Choose 2. A. Close security gaps. B. Reduce firewall inspection. C. Fix bugs and improve performance. D. Disable antivirus. 10. Which of the following are characteristics of a meddler in the middle, mighty M, attack? Choose 2. A. Uses brute force to guess passwords. B. Attacker intercepts communication between two parties. C. Often occurs on public Wi-Fi. D. Requires no access to network traffic. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.